Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how employees collaborate and communicate within organizations. For example, with AI, virtual assistants powered by AI can schedule meetings, manage calendars, and even coordinate with multiple team members effortlessly. The addition of natural language processing (NLP) capabilities allow these assistants to understand and respond to voice commands, making interactions more seamless and intuitive. Likewise, AI-powered collaboration tools facilitate real-time communication and document sharing, enabling teams to work together efficiently, regardless of geographical locations. Thank you for watching. Please select the links in the video description to find additional workplace applications of artificial intelligence technology. And don't forget to subscribe to our AI tools and news channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you know of a great AI product or tool, please subscribe and comment below. If you are an AI tools developer, please visit pampermenetwork.com and submit your free listing. Bye for now.